Welcome to episode 115 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're definitely going to talk about how you guys should avoid those easy solutions. Sometimes you guys may see a lot of TV offers that may say, hey, we can help you with your debt. And they're going to say that they can help you pay less for certain debts, but you guys can do this on your own. All you have to do is call these different companies and actually settle. You can settle with these different companies. And sometimes, like collection companies, they do something called pay for deletion, where you can actually pay less than what you actually owe on that debt. And once you pay it, they'll delete it from your credit reports, which is amazing. Some companies may say, okay, just pay 60% of what you owe. That's kind of normal too. A lot of collection companies will do that, and you'll go with a company like, oh my gosh, you knocking the debt off, or I'm paying less. But what they're doing is they're charging you a lot of fees, plus they're getting that discount on the other end. So you're thinking that it's just amazing, you're consolidating your debt or you figure something out. But in actuality, what they're doing is they're getting all your debts, and then they're calling these different companies, getting the different settlements, and as you're paying them, they're selling these different companies and pocketing the rest. And that's just being honest. Also, some of them may say that they can help you with your bankruptcy, but they're not a licensed bankruptcy attorney, so they can't technically file bankruptcy for you. They probably help you prepare papers and things like that. So you definitely want to talk to an actual licensed bankruptcy attorney if this is what you really need, because if you need bankruptcy relief, you want to talk to the right person so that you actually get the relief that you need. So definitely do that. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. But we're kind of over all the things that you can avoid. Now I want to talk about actually settling with these different companies. I have a lot of things out there that you guys can look into, a lot of free things that you guys can use with settling with these companies, getting them off your credit reports. We're going to talk about that for the next few episodes, okay? I'll see you guys in the next episodes. If you guys have any questions, go to my website, Rickita.com. Once you go there, right at the top, it should say schedule a call. Schedule a call with me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. I'll see you guys in the next video.